Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to fit an Audi A3 headlight bulb. First, gather your tools, including a T20 Torx bit and the correct replacement bulb, which is often an H7 or H11 type. It's crucial to match your car's specific bulb. Before you begin, always switch off the ignition and open the hood for safety. This simple preparation ensures a smooth replacement process. Next, you'll need to access the headlight bulb. Locate the headlight assembly and use your T20 Torx bit to remove any screws holding it in place. Once the screws are out, carefully unclip the electrical connector from the back of the headlight unit. With the connector detached, you can now gently remove the entire headlight assembly from its housing, giving you better access. Now for the actual bulb replacement. First, remove the rear cover from the headlight assembly by releasing its retaining clips. Then, locate the bulb holder and twist it counterclockwise by approximately 30 degrees to detach it from the housing. Carefully pull out the old bulb. When installing the new bulb, insert it into the holder, being very careful not to touch the glass with your bare hands, as oils can reduce its lifespan. To finish up, secure the new bulb by twisting its holder clockwise until it locks into place, then replace the headlight's rear cover. Carefully reinstall the entire headlight assembly back into its housing, reconnect the electrical plug, and tighten all retaining screws. Finally, switch on your ignition and test the new headlight to ensure it functions correctly. Also, remember to check the description for a link to Little Tree's Black Ice and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.